Ban mian, or scallion oil noodles, is super simple to make and super satisfying. All you've got to do is cook the sauce right. The sauce is made using shallots, scallions, soy sauce, and sugar. It has a slightly sweet taste, like other Eastern Chinese food, something like the red braised pork belly dish we made the last time. Shallots also add that hint of sweetness. Take your time to fry them. This way, the oil is infused with their flavors. The green scallion slices cook much faster, so we toss them in last. Scallion oil sauce lasts up to 1 week in the fridge. It goes well with fried egg too, in case you're extra hungry.
What's happening here? Tasty though.
Super tasty.
I thought it would be salty. It's not salty.
It's so different with this.
So you have to fry two different vegetables. This is the green part. That's for you to eat.